Welcome, and you are obviously interested in memberships and want to know more about them. There's a little bit to go through, so please hang in there and I will try and get through as quick as I can. Now, if you're already a subscriber or a follower of the channel, just be assured that this will not change anything about the current channel. I'll still be making videos as I am now and interacting with you through comments, etc. Memberships will actually be another level to the channel. Will actually provide you as a member with extra benefits. It will also provide me with extra benefits in that as a community we can talk and I can understand more about what you need on the channel. Now just quickly, memberships work on a month-to-month basis. So you pay for a month and you can leave for 6 months if you want and come back again. So it's totally up to you, no long-term commitment. In the memberships there will be 2 levels. One will be supporter and one will be maker. So as a supporter you'll receive a loyalty badge which will go next to your name in comments, etc. And that loyalty badge will change the longer you are a member. Now you can leave and come back as a member. There's no long-term commitment and it doesn't affect your loyalty level. You'll also receive custom emojis that you can use in the comments section and on the community tab, and in any live views if we do some live views. You'll also have access to any files that I create. And in the community tab, there'll be a lot of member-only interaction going on. So things like posts and questions and posting images, etc. For the maker level, you'll get everything from the supporter level, plus there'll be extra videos that I'll be doing. Now these videos will be basically of me in the studio doing different things, such as tests that I perform prior to doing a project. So not all of these projects go on the channel. Some of these are just simply for our gallery or for our own use, or just out of purely curiosity. So some of the videos will just be for fun. And I don't know what they'll be. They'll be probably spur of the moment, maybe a dad joke or something like that. So an important thing to remember is that the community tab is where most of this will be happening. This is where I'll let you know when there are new videos, or I'll be asking questions, or I'll be posting polls, and where you as members can all interact. Now if you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be happy to answer anything. So I'm hoping you can see that this is going to be a huge benefit for the channel and for both of us. Basically the channel will improve because of it. You'll get some extra perks and I'll get some more insight into what you need. So please continue, join. Looking forward to the whole process. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And until the next video, I'll say bye for now.